Hi, welcome to Concept Arena. We'll be discussing another amendment in the input tax credit. In this, the restrictions have been made on the recipient's part on the ITC which he can avail. So basically, this is a supplier. He has supplied some value of goods or services or both to the recipient, on which the tax, that is ITC, is 1 lakh and the invoices are 10 invoices, say 10 invoices. So earlier what used to be the scene, that the recipient is eligible for whole of the 1 lakh because he has the in receipt of these 10 invoices. Okay, so now what has been done, now even though he has the 10 invoices, he will not be allowed to take the all the 1 lakh. So let's see an example. This supplier, he supplied some goods. Now he has filed GSTR 1, that's outward supply, for which the due date is 10th of the next month, and he uploaded the invoice of tax having 80,000 only. Okay, that is the 8 invoices, only 8 invoices he declared in GSTR 1. So this basically happens to be the GSTR 2A for this recipient. So in his GSTR 2A, this amount will be auto populated and it will come to 80,000. The portal will show this 80,000. Okay, and the invoices not uploaded will be 20,000 ITC of the 2 invoices. So now he will be eligible for whole of the 80,000, and of the invoices not uploaded by the supplier, he will be restricted to avail the ITC up to 10%. Earlier it was 20%, now this has been also reduced to 10%. So which comes to be 10% of 80,000, 8,000. So he can now avail total ITC of 88,000 only. Okay, earlier what used to be the case, earlier he was eligible to avail 1 lakh, whole of the 1 lakh, and not just the 88,000. Okay, because he was in the receipt of invoices. There are also some clarifications and issues which have been addressed by the CBIC, which we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, so this is the amendment. Basically the restrictions have been done by the CBIC for invoices not uploaded by the supplier. This has been done to push the taxpayers to timely file their statements of the outward supplies. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you.